Many people take supplements every day. Magnesium, vitamins, omega-3, multivitamins, different kind of vitamins, minerals, whatever. What so many people take, but they say something like, I don't really feel anything, or I have no better energy, I have no better sleep, I have no real change. I can understand this. And then they ask me, so what's going wrong? I mean, they take this, and then they ask me, what's wrong about this? Because it should make a difference, right? Yeah. So in this video, we will look at why supplements often don't seem to work and what actually determines whether they help or not. This isn't about attacking supplements, it's about using them realistically. The first thing is the expectation, because some people think they will take it one time and it will change their whole life at the next day or at the moment they take it. No, this is totally wrong, because they expect just fast effects, but you have like a capacity of minerals and you have to fill your your bag of minerals in your body. You have to fill it up, so it will not fill up in a day or 2 or 3. You have to give it time so it can fill your bag up, and create the effect you want. Some supplements will sure make an effect immediately, but it's different from supplement to supplement. So don't be disappointed when you see no difference in 1 day or 2. So please be a little bit patient with some supplement and just go on and look later at the results and not the next day. The thing is about the expectation. Just because you live unhealthy and you do things that are not good for the human body, it's okay, but don't expect that one pill, that 2 pills or 3 pills will change everything in a short time. Because in the best way, you change everything over the time, but don't expect one pill that it will change your whole life and you keep go on with your unhealthy life. For example, it must be not, maybe it's not the case for you, but I mean in general, because we're talking about expectations. So when people say, I felt nothing, that just means often the expectation was too dramatic. Keep that in mind. Second thing is that supplements don't fix active stress. Some people just sleep too little, or they work under constant pressure, so they can't really relax or something like this. And some people also don't switch off mentally. That's very important, in my opinion. So a supplement will not solve your problem at all, but if you keep the settings in every life topic, if you change it a little bit, everywhere a little bit, it will make a big impact, I think, also over the time. But if you just go on one pill, it will not be a crazy result. In that case, the nervous system is so overloaded, and a mineral alone won't change that state. Just for you to know. The body is not missing only a nutrient, it's just missing recovery in this case. Also, the supplement will help, but recovery have a more impact than just the mineral itself. The third thing is that people have the wrong reason for taking supplements, because they have a symptom of being sick, having fever, diarrhea, low energy, fatigue, or whatever, and they think if they take vitamins, it will fix everything. But that's not the case, because you are treating symptoms that are just now at this point available, and they will change, or it can be that there is another cause, but it have maybe nothing to do with this symptom, but you think just because you feel like this now, you have to take supplements, but that's not necessary, maybe. And if exhaustion comes from overload, poor sleep, or irregular eating, adding supplements will not treat it so much because the base have to be fixed in the best case at first, and supplements would be a thing on top. Yeah, just for you to know. Fourth thing I want to say, and it's too many at once because some supplements are enemies. For example, if you take zinc, don't forget to take also copper in another time because they are like enemies. If you take too much zinc, the copper in your body will decrease and the ratio between copper and zinc will, yeah, go in the wrong direction because both have to be enough available in the body. So that's very important to fix both. And yeah, just don't take all vitamins, minerals at once. Try to split them so your body can take one thing after the other. So the vitamins will not fight each other and you will get all the supplements you need in your body in that ratio. That's perfect. Okay? The other thing is imagine you have enough zinc, you try to boost your testosterone through zinc or just, yeah, increase your immune system. But the thing is, maybe you have enough zinc and you think if you take now more zinc, your immune system will be better. But it can be that you have enough zinc and it will not make a difference to your actual position because you already have enough zinc. Why you should take this if you don't have a deficiency in this supplement, in this mineral, what you just took? Adding a supplement to your nutrition will not make a big impact if you have enough in your body of this because what should the body now do with this extra supplement or this more minerals that you have to absorb? He maybe don't need this right now, maybe later, but not now. The next thing is there are also supplements that will work over time. That means some supplements work slowly. People often stop too early because they expect quick feedback, and that's something you need to, yeah, analyze, to look at it how it is, because certain effects like nutrient repletion or cellular support happen gradually and quietly. No dramatic sensation doesn't mean no value, but it also shouldn't be oversold. What actually can make supplements more active or more effective is if you, for example, sleep more or your timing of sleeping is stable so your body can adapt to it and put the supplements in the perfect, yeah, size, in the perfect directions because he know when you go to sleep, because he know when you eat, for example. That's also the other thing. If your meals are regular in the same, yeah, time zones, I would just say time zones, then he also can manage it very good because he knows when food is coming in. And if your expectations are realistic and you will wait until, yeah, at least 1 week to look is there a difference or not, that would be at least, yeah, at least 7 days. In the best case, you take this for 30 days and then you will look what changed, what not, and then you can decide yes or no, or maybe you just, yeah, make a summary of all the things that better or not better. Yeah. So at the end, to say is if you take supplements and feel nothing, it doesn't automatically mean that they are useless, but it may mean the foundation of your body has to be treated at first, and then you will go or you can go to the supplements. Supplements are supporters, not saviors. Build the base and then add the support where it has to be. It should make sense. That's how they get useful and measurable. Use supplements with clarity and not hope. And that were the last things I wanted to say to this topic, and I hope I see you soon again.